Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bri, or Brianna for those of you who are new, and today I'm going to show you this sleek look right here. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day, but of course you can wear it any day of the year. It's just a smoked out liner with a nude lip. If you want to make it a little bit more festive, you can throw on a pink lip with a pink blush to kind of tie everything together. But I wanted to stay a little bit more on the neutral side because I'm not very like ba-bam. Like I said, I like to stay neutral, and I just wanted to show you guys this look right here. Very quickly, I just want to let you guys know I'm sorry if you hear an echo. I'm in a new room that I filmed in my last video, and when I rewatched it, I noticed there was an echo to it. I tried to change it up this time, but I don't think it's working. So please work with me. I'm going to find a way to make this work. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Open current. Okay, so I already did this eye, but I wanted to cover it so it didn't look so scary when I started my intro. But this is kind of what we're going for, I guess you can say. As you guys saw in my intro, it's really smoky and pretty, but I feel like it's not too extreme. I mean, I'm gonna make it extreme in a little bit when I add like one of these lipsticks. I don't know which one I want, but let's go ahead and get started. It's reflective, but I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette today. Honestly, you can use any neutral palette that you have. Any colors that have like tans to browns to black, because that's really all I'm going to focus on. With the fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes. I'm going to use this color right here, and then I'm going to go a little bit darker into my crease with this one. So I'm just going ahead and putting this color all over, placing this all over. All right, I'm trying to figure out the right camera setting so that I don't have to always sit in one spot so it can all focus, but it's okay. I will figure it out. So going in with that little darker shade that I just showed you guys, I'm going to go ahead and fluff that in my crease. To get that sharp, clean look, I know I still have to clean this one up a little bit with the makeup brush, but I use this tape right here. I know some YouTubers use Scotch tape, but I think that's just a little too aggressive on the skin. So I use this medical tape and place it underneath my eye. I'm going to try and mimic this angle as much as I can. Now taking an eyeliner brush from Morphe, you can use any sort of angled brush that's kind of thin. And going in with this shade right here, I'm going to make an outline for what my liner will look like. And I'm just dragging it along my eyelashes. Let me switch sides so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Next, using the darker brown shade, just any dark brown that you have. This palette is just really pigmented, so it's a lot easier to work with. I'm going to go in and repeat the same step. With the original shade that I put in my crease, I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the inner corner. I like to do this step after I start the liner part because I feel like it helps me clean it up. Believe it or not, we're almost done. And now I'm going to go in with this brush from Morphe. It's like a small little kind of blending brush. It's the E36, and I'm just going to just blend this to make it look a little bit smoother. It's gonna look a little bit messy, especially because I have a lot on the tape here. Now I'm actually going to take a blending brush, like a full-size actual blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this corally color. With this corally color right here, I'm just going to add a little bit of that in the outer corner. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this, but I enjoyed the way it made the eye look. I dipped into it one time, like very lightly. I'm just going to blend over that line and then in the outer corner, kind of by the crease area. I dip into it one more time. Next, with the Kat Von D liner, this is the sample size. I actually like sample size eyeliner better because I feel like I can hold them better. But this is in Trooper. This is her ink liner. And I'm just going to apply that like a regular liner. I'm trying to apply this liner so it's a way that you guys can see me do it. But it's actually a lot harder than you think. It doesn't have to be completely perfect either, because remember, you're going to go in and smoke it out a little bit. Almost done. Going with a black shadow, just any black shadow. Because the liner is not matte and I want it to look matte, I'm just going to stamp it with this. And this is also going to help give it that smoky look. Back with this small little fella here, blending it out. I'm going with this super light hand too. to avoid any mistakes. Back in with this brown shade right here. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend that together with the crease. And this is where we're going to create that smoky part that I have out here. All right, and then you're gonna reveal it. There you have it, yay! If they look a little different, it's okay. The good thing is it's a smoky look, so you can go in and fix it. For example, this one is just a little bit darker on top than this one is. Back with the black with the black brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp it just a little bit higher and then just bring it out. The reason I took the tape off now, even though I wasn't done with the look, is because it's a lot easier to get a clear view of how you need to fix one eye to look more like the other, or vice versa. Just blending it all out, make it look as similar as I can. This is my first time ever trying this smoky eye, and I was quite nervous it wasn't gonna come out right, but I think it came out good. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys out and then we're gonna finish off the look. I used Fenty Beauty foundation today in case any of you guys were wondering. I had to mix 290 and 300 because I'm two different shades. I'm gonna go ahead and brighten my under eye with my Tarte Shape Tape. Because I wanna go a little bit brighter here, taking the Age Rewind by Maybelline in the color Fair. I'm gonna go super light on my inner corner and blend it all out with a beauty blender. This is by Beauty Blender. They just have like this little, I don't know, it looks like a pick for a guitar, but you can use it for your eyes. And I'm gonna place it where my liner is so I don't mess that up, and just bring it up as close as I can. Okay, now that my under eyes are super bright, it's exactly what I wanted, I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on the center of my face. This is just really to highlight and bring light to the center of the face. Even though I cannot stand the smell of this powder, I want to give it a try because I want to see how it actually wears. Just right there. I'm not bringing it all the way out, I'm just putting it like mainly here because I do want my highlight to be quite bright. And if I set it here with translucent powder, then my highlight won't really have anything to adhere to. I'm just gonna dust it away. I don't want to have it sit there too long because I don't want my under eyes to be like too bright. Next, I'm to bronze with my Darkest Deep Mineralized Skin Finish Powder from MAC. Pretty little color. So pretty. Taking this around my whole perimeter of my face. Okay. We're gonna contour. I wasn't going to, I was just gonna leave it bronze, but I can't. I typically use the Morphe E8 brush for my nose contour, but I'm actually going to use it to do like a chiseled contour. My Morphe 504 brush, this beautiful big old fluffy brush. Contour my nose. I make the funniest faces when I'm contouring my nose. It's on my eyelash. Guys, I'm so sorry I keep going in and out of focus. I don't know how to fix it. Okay, that's a mess. You know, it's Valentine's Day, so you want your lips looking nice and plump. So I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and then just this brush right here. It's the Morphe E47. This is just going to give the appearance of a bigger bottom lip. Make sure you're actually blending it out. See, now my lip is like... Highlight, I'm going in with like an iridescent pinky highlight because it's Valentine's Day. Right on the cheek, top of my bone. What do you think? What do you think? Alright, I'm going to highlight my upper lip. I'm going to be a little drastic with it, so don't judge me. But it's been a while since I've done like a really drastic highlight on my lip, so put some on my nose. With whatever is left over on my brush, I'm gonna put that on my nose. I'm not gonna add any more excess highlighter. Right. To finish off the eyes, I'm just going to apply black liner. Any black liner is fine. And the flat brush that we used earlier with the black, I'm not gonna add any more product onto it. I'm just gonna smudge it down. Just like that. I'm not bringing it in past like the inner part, the white part of my eye. Just gonna go ahead and blend it. Inner corner highlight. Why do I always forget this on camera, but on a regular day I don't. This cute little small brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my inner corner. It just adds such a pop to your eye. Lashes right here. You guys know I usually don't wear lashes, so this is kind of a big deal. Celebrity 23. How convenient. So these are just the 4 lashes, and I will link them down below for you guys. I'm going to apply them off camera, and then I'll be right back. I don't think you guys understand the struggle I just had trying to put these lashes on. And they look like my eyelashes. It's okay, but they're on. All right. Now I have to decide what lip color I want to wear. So these are 3 options that I'm looking at. I know that these 2 look super similar, but they are indeed very different. This is way more pink, this is more purple, and this is red. I almost want to go with red, but I know it's so extreme, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So this is I'm actually really nervous because I don't want this to be too much, but this is the Mega Last liquid lipstick in the color Missy and Fierce. Or should I do a neutral lip? Let me do a neutral lip. I can't do this. I feel like this is like the hardest decision of my life. I start with a neutral lip, and then if I don't like it, then we can always go to a bolder lip. Any nude lipstick would work, but this is Ludwig by Kat Von D. I never know if I say it right, but that's how I'm gonna say it for the purpose of this video. And this is the Anastasia Kristen lip gloss. This is the lip combo that I wore in my last video. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna stay with a nude lip. Oh yeah, I'm saying neutral. Okay, let me go get dressed. Okay, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. Still don't know what side it's on, but I'll learn. Comment down below any looks that you guys would like to see. Again, thank you guys so much, and that's a wrap.